All right, so here we are. We're at 901 Beaumont Court in Copper Creek. This is our new listing, and we're doing an open house today, but go check it out, see what this house is all about. Homeowners have been doing a lot of work on it, and we're really excited about this one. So
it's a beautiful home.
It is.
Yeah.
All right, man. This looks really good. They did a great job.
Doesn't it look great? They painted everything, which I think makes it look so fresh and clean. They also have new floors, which are really popular right now. This flooring that they chose, it's a great flooring, so it looks really nice.
Oh, they did a great job.
They did.
And I love this open concept. I mean, obviously buyers, I shouldn't say obviously, but a lot of buyers are looking for this open kind of concept between a family, a living room and a dining room.
I think it gives homeowners a lot of flexibility. This is a very flexible space and can be used multiple ways when it's open like this. So I love it. I think it's a great space for a family. You know?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, let's go check out the kitchen.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm excited to see that. Wow, this looks really good too.
This looks really good. They have nice countertops, marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, which everybody loves.
Yep.
Nice faucet.
Gas range.
Gas.
Tile backsplash.
They have a nice pantry right here. Eating area. I like how the eating area has a window. You can look out into the yard, which is beautiful scenery. Looks good in here.
Yeah.
And I like how it opens right up into the family room area.
Yep, once again just that open concept.
Yeah,
right?
Which is really nice. And then they have a sunroom, which could be used as an office.
Yeah, this is really nice.
That's
this
another
extra room back here is
great flexible space.
I mean, you could use this for so many different things.
I love all the windows.
Yeah, I mean, it could be an office. It could be just another den, another sitting area, reading area, playroom.
Oh, it'd be a great playroom.
Yeah. All kinds of cool stuff. And once again, the brand new flooring, paint.
I like how it has big French doors. Those are not typical size French doors either.
I know it.
So those are nice.
Cool.
It's a nice view.
All right, let's head on upstairs. How about that? Well, let's just check around here. So what do we got? We got a half
this
bath.
is a half bath in here, again with the new flooring, so it looks really good.
Yep.
And I like how it is a little removed from the main living space, so there's privacy. Yet it's off the back door to the garage, so that's nice.
Well, let's go check out the second floor.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this carpet. Brand new carpet, right?
Yep, new carpet. Has a pretty landing. And this is a great space because there are 4 bedrooms up here. The master and 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
So this is the first bedroom.
Yep. Nice.
And they use it as an office,
yeah,
which
this
is
is
great.
a nice size.
It's got a nice closet and it's a great space.
Yep.
If you come over here, there are 2 more bedrooms, and both of these have big walk-in closets.
Wow, these are big bedrooms.
They are big bedrooms.
I mean, we go into so many homes that tout that they have 4 bedrooms, and you get inside of them, and you can barely get a bed in there and a dresser.
Yeah.
But these are nice.
These are
nice size.
really nice.
So, yeah, lots of space.
And then there's a nice bath.
Yeah, that looks good.
Full bath. Marble countertops again. And then you move into the 3rd bedroom, which again is a large bedroom.
Yes.
I mean, there's a lot of furniture in here, and it's not overpowered at all by it.
Cute bed. I love that bed.
Yeah, it is cute. And then it also has a big walk-in closet.
Okay.
So the laundry room is right here.
Okay,
which
we'll
is
check out the laundry
great
next.
to have upstairs. Super easy.
Oh yeah.
You don't need to be running clothes up and down stairs.
Nope, that second floor
all your
laundry
dirty
is
clothes
neat.
are right here, which is great. Now we can check out the master.
All right. Nice
The
trays.
tray ceilings are really pretty. It has a nice little sitting area too. I like that.
That's great.
A good sitting area. Another flexible space. I mean, really, you could put a little home office right here if you wanted to. You could have a desk or a little sitting area.
Love the tray ceilings. Those are so pretty.
And really, this is an oversized master, I think, too. It looks like.
Yeah, this is a big room.
I mean, it is a big room.
All right, well, I'm gonna walk into the bathroom here.
Yep, head into the bathroom. They have marble countertops, freshly tiled shower, which
Dual
looks
vanities.
great.
They're both the higher height,
Yes.
which is really a plus now. People are really liking that. And then I guess the shower has been retiled, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Retiled.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Garden tub. Yeah. Doesn't
Yeah,
that
that's
look
all
good?
nice,
Right?
freshly tiled. Yeah, that looks good. Big
Water
closet.
and then yeah.
Nice walk-in closet.
Big walk-in closet.
All right. Garden tub, soaking tub, big tub. What is this, Beth?
I call it a garden tub.
Okay, what's the difference between a garden tub and a soaking tub?
Well, a soaking tub is a completely separate tub.
So it's like the new trendy ones
It
that
is.
are
It's
set
not
aside.
built in like this.
Yeah, we used to see the old iron claw
Yeah,
tubs
I mean,
that
I
were
guess,
kind of
yeah.
freestanding, but
that
the
would-
newer ones are like these big bowls that are just kind of
Yes,
standing.
yeah.
So those are soaking tubs,
That's a
right?
soaking tub.
And this is a
This is a garden
Garden
tub
tub.
because it's an oversized bathtub.
gotcha. There you go, people.
There you have it. In my mind, that's what it is anyway.
Oh, okay. Well, we don't want to misinform the general public here.
Well, you know, I don't believe I am. Okay, why don't we
All right,
go
we're
down
gonna
to
head
the
on
basement?
down to the basement. All right. All right. Heading down the stairs. And here's the basement. Nice.
I like this. This is
Oh, gosh.
great. Wood
Yeah.
floor again.
Yep.
Great bedroom
Oh yeah.
with a full
Access.
bath.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me turn on the lights in the bathroom so
All right.
you can see that.
So yeah, this is a nice size bedroom.
It
Again,
is.
down
You
here.
gotta look at this bathroom.
And then
It's
you walk
great.
into the
That
bathroom.
tile.
And oh wow, bam! Look at that. All right.
I
Nice
love
shower.
that. I like how it's the size of what probably would have been like a bathtub shower combination.
Yeah.
And instead they just made it into a shower, which I like.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
That's
that looks
great.
good.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a little, their own little closet built in here. So you got your
Yeah,
little linen closet. Okay.
And then this is really nice. You have another living space down here and a kitchenette.
Ooh, and another bedroom back there. And then, okay.
You know,
So
this
yeah.
this would be perfect for in-laws.
Yes. Parties.
College kids
College
coming
kids
home.
coming home.
You know,
Yeah, very nice.
yeah.
All right, and then they have,
Did you
let's
wanna
go,
see-
yeah, let's go check out
let's
that
go
back
check out the
bedroom.
bedroom and then we can go outside. Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah. another
Obviously a
bedroom
Duke
down
fan.
here.
I love it.
Mhm.
I think that looks great.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
But yeah, another nice sized room that you
It
could do
is.
just about anything with.
Yeah.
You know, this could be an exercise room or a playroom.
Oh, that's yeah. This is
And then you just
so
walk out on this porch
nice.
patio. It's a nice little spot back here.
The deck it has the undercovering,
Yeah.
which
Yep.
is great, and a fan.
Yeah, this is cool.
This is like your own life.
You could easily screen this in
Oh God.
and you'd have a screen porch.
Yeah.
And you get a nice view of the nice side yard. And then you just go up the stairs up to the second floor. But yeah, this is neat.
Yeah. This is really nice out
Yeah,
here.
this is cool.
Okay, last area to look at is the deck, which is really
Oh, yeah,
nice.
this is nice back here too.
They extended it. You know, you can see where they made this much bigger than it originally was.
Yeah. Yeah, they did. Yeah, back
And
over here.
again, very peaceful.
Mm-hmm.
Some nice shade.
Love. Just that. All right, so this is Copper Creek,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Swimming pool,
Tennis courts.
tennis courts.
Sidewalks.
All right, so
streetlights.
schools are.
Sixes.
Mhm.
Freedom Middle School, and Woodstock High School.
Yeah. Okay. So great location,
Yeah, it's
great
great.
school district. This is just neat, peaceful back here. And yeah, this is a beautiful home. Beautiful home.
Gotta check it out.
So yeah, click on the link if you want to learn more about this house or any other houses that we have listed in the area. And I'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks.